Today I'm going to take you on a chocolate-filled journey to the Lindt home of chocolate. The museum is in a stunning modern building just outside the centre of Zurich. This is Switzerland's biggest chocolate museum, complete with lots of chocolate tastings, the biggest Lindt chocolate shop in the world, as well as a small Lindt cinema, a cafe and a pilot production line you can check out while you're in the building. And don't forget the insane 1500 kilogram liquid chocolate fountain in the foyer, where you can take some awesome photos to send to your friends on Instagram. The first thing you should do when you enter the museum is grab an audio guide, and then you take a step into the world of cocoa cultivation. They've created a kind of a pseudo forest with lots of interactive exhibits where you can explore the different aspects of picking cocoa, processing cocoa, and getting it towards the stuff we love, chocolate. Next comes the history of chocolate. Here you can learn how chocolate dates back thousands of years and then was eventually brought by the Spaniards in the form of hot chocolate to Europe, where it slowly but eventually took off and became the hit we know today.
Yay!
In the next room you'll find out all about the Swiss chocolate makers and how they had a huge influence on the making and processing of chocolate. You'll see lots of names you know and love, such as Lindt and Callier, who were famous back in the 19th century and helped develop chocolate to its current standards. And then passing into the next area, you'll see some really cool old labels from all the different chocolate brands in Switzerland. And then there's a chocolate production line where you also get to do some samplings of liquid chocolate in the chocolate fountains, which is absolutely amazing. And then of course there's even more chocolate sampling to be had at the end of the production line. There's different chocolate plates that get broken up into pieces, and you can infinitely stick your hands under there and get as much chocolate as you want. So don't make yourself sick. And in the final room you can take a photo of yourself in a Lindt ball with lots of different backgrounds, or you can jump over to the Lindt balls themselves and fill your mouth with as many Lindt balls as you can eat. And then you need to head downstairs to the world's largest Lindt chocolate shop, where you'll find absolutely everything that Lindt has ever produced and that I've ever seen, and you can fill your basket and take home lots of goodies for all your friends and families, so they'll love you till the ends of time. Just a few tips on getting to the chocolate museum. There's a few different ways you can get here from downtown Zurich. The best way to come is on a small boat trip from Berkeleyplatz, which is at the end of the Bahnhofstrasse. You can get a ferry which stops in Kilchberg, and then it's a short walk to the Lindt chocolate factory and the home of chocolate, or you can get a bus from Berkeleyplatz as well. And the last option is to get a train from Zurich main station to Kilchberg, and then it's about a 5 or 10 minute walk downhill to the Lindt chocolate factory. And if you're looking for more fun stuff to do in Zurich, don't forget to check out this video here. And if you found the video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos on Switzerland.